Okay, so I have my RS exam today. I'm not sure about it. Basically, philosophy has like a lot of stuff to remember. I would say it's probably the easiest out of the 3 RS exams, but basically today is philosophy and that is a third of the RS exam overall, and we have to write 3 essays today. Each one we have to do for 40 minutes, so it's a lot to write and I know my hand is going to hurt so much afterwards. Alfie's been helping me revise. Yeah, but basically what I did last night after Love Island was I was looking at the notes that I've made, which are just here actually. I was looking at the notes I've been making, so it's very colourful. This is what I've been doing over the last few days, and then last night I was going through the textbook, looking at possible questions, kind of like practice questions, and I wasn't writing them obviously because it takes like 40 minutes to answer the question, but I was making essay plans, like really scribbly like notes, kind of just everything I could think off the top of my head, and then I'd go through the actual notes for that topic and like add to it. It would just be really scruffy notes, but it kind of gets it into my head. And just this morning, obviously it's a morning exam so I don't have much time, but I'm hoping it will go okay, so we shall see how it goes. So I've just got back from my RS exam. It was actually really good. The question paper was amazing. So you get 4 questions, I said this before, but you get the 4 questions, and the 3 that I chose, the first one was to do with language games, so that's like religious language, 20th century perceptions, and that's one of the A2 topics, and that was like my favourite A2 topic out of the lot, so I was happy that that came up. The second question was something to do with the problem of evil, and I didn't do it, only because the actual question had really weird wording to it. I would be interested to know if anyone else did do that question and what they put in it, because it kind of confused me a little bit. The third question was really weird, but it was on a super easy topic, so it was about Aristotle, and that's like part of the first topic that you learn in AS, so it's probably the easiest out of any topic in the course. But the actual question didn't set you up for any proper persuasive language, like it literally just said analyse Aristotle's 4 causes, and so I tried to analyse it the best I could, but I don't know whether I wrote a very persuasive essay because I wasn't really sure what to base it around, so I wasn't sure about that one. But then the last question I did was about the Teleological Argument with Aquinas, and basically the question was, I think, the world was created by chance, not by God, and that was an amazing question. Like, I was so happy when I saw that. There was loads of stuff to put in, there were loads of criticisms, so I think it went well. It's quite hit or miss with philosophy, so now I just have ethics and theology to go in RS, so they're a little bit harder, I think. Definitely theology I find a little bit harder, so the next one's ethics and I need to revise for that. But overall, I think the RS exam today went okay and I'm feeling pretty positive about it. Exam time can be challenging. If you're finding it difficult to cope, follow the links in the description for information on the support available.